I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is a quick intro to our leather work gloves. So I'm going to quickly show you now features about them. So they have a smooth leather palm, a fabric back to allow breathing, and an elastic wrist strap. So as you can see, they fit very nicely. You can tighten that up perfectly. So they're ideal for any gardening project you may have, or even light industrial, working on your car. Even cutting the grass and working on your ride-on mowers, perfect. Or even, I like to use these when I install my sleeper brackets. So when you're handling the heavy sleepers, you don't get a splinter. Works perfectly. And it's breathable on the back, nice stretchy. They're fantastic. So we sell them as a pair, but we also sell them in packs as well. There you go. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let us know, and I hope you enjoy the product.